Hey, this is Derek at Boise Cylinder Head. Today we're going to be Mangafluxing these 6-liter Ford diesel heads. These ones are known for cracking. They crack very commonly in between this intake seat and the glow plug hole right there. Sometimes they'll crack across the way. But we're going to do a Mangaflux on them to find out if they are cracked. And we'll go from there. Alright, we'll load it up in our station here. Right on there. Oh yeah, there you have it. First try. There's a crack right across from the intake valve to the other intake valve. You know, it's not normally where we suspect these things would be cracked. That does look like a pretty decent crack there. Yeah, I mean, one like that's definitely enough to condemn a head. Some people do recommend welding them, but the cost of new castings, I think a new casting with all new valves and springs is the way to go on these things. Let's check the rest of the cylinder head, see if we can't see anything else. Yeah, that one looks pretty good in that cylinder. Just want to do as fine a mist as you can on these things. A whole bunch of fine mists will get that powder collected in a crack if there is one. If you put too much on there, you just won't even be able to see it. So. Alrighty, that one's good as well. There might be a small crack right there in between the glow plug and the intake valve. It's a little difficult to see even for me here, but we do know that's a common area for it to crack, and it got a little bit of powder built up there, so I'd say that could definitely be a crack there. Yeah. And again, since we found that big crack there, I'm not concerned about where else it's cracked. That's enough to condemn this head and warrant getting another one. Let's go ahead and pop this other one in there and we'll see if it's any better or worse. We clean these up in our clean tank or parts washer. Got all the oil and dirt and debris off this thing as best we could before we Mangafluxed it. Any kind of oil or moisture is going to give us a false positive. Alright, here we go. Oh wow, we got another one, same spot. You can see it just goes right across. That powder's built up right in the crack. Kind of shows us exactly where it is. This machine's great for finding cracks. We use it all the time on cast iron. Doesn't work on aluminum because it doesn't magnetize the same, but there is a couple different methods to detecting cracks on aluminum. We like to use the pressure tester. Imagine we'll do that in a future video. That's good. Well, there might be another tiny crack right there. It's faint though. Just almost superficial. You might be able to see that in the camera view. Yeah. And there have been some people that choose to just run their cylinder head with these cracks in it. Don't know how long they last, but certainly aren't going to last for very long. Yep, we got a crack right there too. One of the concerns about cracks that are that close to the seat is if they crack below the seat, there's a chance of those seats getting dislodged, loosened up in their seating area, and they'll lose their press fit and potentially hang a valve. All right, well, I think that's all we got for these cylinder heads in this video. Go ahead and hit that like button if you liked our video, and subscribe and hit the bell notification button. We appreciate your views and your time here, and have a great day.